Hi, in this video we'll review how to use generative AI features in Toad. If you're using Toad for Oracle 2024 R2 version or higher, then you'll notice AI features in various areas of the application. For example, AI Explain in the Editor toolbar. But you might be experiencing an error trying to use the feature. To resolve this issue, you'll need to verify your licenses. There are two requirements to use AI. First, the license used in Toad must state AI within the edition name. And second, the AI feature must be enabled for that license and user. And Toad must state AI within the Options section. If you have a paid or trial AI enabled license, then use Manage Licenses to activate your license and enable the feature via our online license portal. Sign in with your Quest or Toad account. First, let's add the license. It can be added to your personal licenses or to an organization. Once created, we'll assign users to that license. You should see your AI license in the list of your licenses. Next, we'll have to enable the AI feature for that license. Before that, ensure you have an owner or admin role on that license. Next, use the Settings tab and navigate to the Features section. Toggle on the feature and agree to terms to proceed. In this step, you can also enable the feature for all assigned users, or you can enable the feature individually to specific users. Use the Seats tab to enable the feature for single or multiple users at once. Having the steps completed, we'll go back to Toad and refresh our licenses. The AI license is now activated and the features enabled. We can now use the AI feature to explain our code. For additional information, please visit our KB articles at support.quest.com.